Mm. Hi everyone. Today we have Garvit Gera. He qualified this attempt and he got cleared in KPMG financial due diligence. He will be sharing his experiences. Yes, Garvit Gera.
So hi all. First of all, I want to thank sir for this, for all of his guidance in the starting. Like I had joined in, I think in the month of June. So all of his sessions you are attending is like he's the right person to go for and to follow his advice and from the starting to beginning and then considering all the daily sessions and whether it is document profile or LinkedIn optimization and all. So I would say it has been a good experience joining KPMG. It's a kind of a niche profile, like whereby they generally don't hire and they generally hire through I would say the referrals only. If you are going for majority of companies you are going for would definitely have an important part with respect to the having a cold mailing and over email and all, having referrals and all. I would say you just follow his advice and all from the start to beginning, and his reference would definitely work. Like I got into Goldman Sachs, Misho, and McKinsey also, but this profile was pretty much good. It is FDT in KPMG, so I would say just follow the advice and all. That would be one.
What type of questions were asked in this type of profile? And yeah, how did you study about it? How?
They were majorly from the audit only. I had done my articleship in from GT in audit on, and I had industry training from Goldman Sachs. They were majorly focused on the audit experience. Like they literally told me that we don't need we won't question you or touch you upon on the experience in industry training. So just question me on my audit experience. I would say if you had done your articleship in audit background, then it would definitely be good. They would ask all the logical questions, and like there are some basic questions with respect to FDT, like because when you are going as a fresher, they will definitely not expect you to that you will have a deep understanding of everything, but the overall understanding, like there are three main aspects like quality of earning, quality of adjusted EBITDA, which you will get from his notes and all from his study mat. So yes, you can refer to study mat for the FDT part also. So the majority of questions were on the audit part, the more on the analytical side, like which we don't cover in the normal statutory audit.
In Misu, you
So
did not
yes.
Misu what they asked basically. Misu.
Misho was it was for the FP&A profile. Like I cleared only 2 rounds, but after the second round, they told me that there are no vacancies and all in Misho.
Okay.
So so it was majorly on the, I would say, the budgeting and forecasting part. Like they gave me a case scenario, like how would you deal with the dealing with the I would say the forecasting of the entire entire PL statement of a company, majorly focusing on the revenue aspect. And also he gave me a scenario um, suppose you have to set up a bad manufacturing industry. So like how would you set up a industry considering the different factors to set up for the bad, like you have to consider for the type of customers you are going to handle, and the age group of those customers, like whether it is in a younger age or who want to play for the nation and who just want to play and the local cricket, and also these kind of questions were there. Majorly around 30 minutes interviews for all the 3 rounds.
Misu, how you applied Misu?
That's why I got to Naukri. All
Naukri.com,
from
na?
Naukri.
Naukri.com
Yes.
optimization here. Naukri. Goldman
Mhm.
Sachs also you give, na?
Yes, actually, I had my industry training from Goldman Sachs, so I
Uh,
got the referral from my VP, and McKinsey also. I got a referral for from
got
one
it.
of the assistant manager over there. Yes, so I
Got
would
it.
say that major referrals would work definitely.
Huh. Great. Great, Garvit. I think it's great. Okay. And well done. And do let us know if any in future also you need any help. Now we are there to help you out. Okay. All the best. And this is a good
Definitely.
day. Janmashtami also. So it is a great day to start your innings. Okay. Okay. You can leave. Okay. Everybody, please join the same link once again. Okay. And happy Janmashtami to everyone. Thank you. Join the